TypeScript 7 can take a build that needed more than 2 minutes and finish it in around 10 seconds. On the right machine, with more CPU cores assigned, the speedup can even cross 15 times. But your website will not suddenly run 15 times faster. The improvement is inside the TypeScript compiler and language server, the tools that scan your project, understand its types, report errors, power autocomplete, and turn TypeScript into JavaScript. For most of TypeScript's history, that toolchain was written in TypeScript itself, compiled to JavaScript, and executed through Node.js. That made it portable, but it also created a performance ceiling. A compiler does heavy CPU work. It reads thousands of files, creates syntax trees, connects declarations to scopes, resolves imports, calculates types, reports errors, and emits output. The old compiler could optimize each step, but efficiently spreading all this work across CPU cores was difficult. JavaScript workers exist, but large compiler objects cannot simply be passed between them. Moving a syntax tree may require serialization, copying, and rebuilding data on the other side, sometimes costing more than the work itself. TypeScript 7 changes that foundation. Microsoft ported the compiler and language server to Go. This gives TypeScript native code execution, shared memory multithreading, and a runtime designed to distribute CPU-heavy work across cores. The important point is not simply that Go is faster than JavaScript. Modern JavaScript engines are already highly optimized. The real win is that the new compiler was designed around parallel execution. Parsing can happen across many files at once. Emitting output can be distributed. Multiple projects in a monorepo can build in parallel. And type checking, the hardest stage to split, runs through several checker workers that can access shared compiler data without copying the entire project between isolated processes. By default, TypeScript 7 uses 4 type checkers. On machines with more cores, the experimental checkers flag can increase that number. More checkers can reduce build time further, although they also consume more memory and compete with other processes. That is where the 15 times faster headline comes from. With default settings, Microsoft measured the VS Code codebase dropping from 100 to 25.7 seconds in TypeScript 6 to 10.6 seconds in TypeScript 7, an 11.9 times improvement. With 8 checker workers, the same build fell to 7.51 seconds, making it 16.7 times faster. Playwright dropped from 12.8 seconds to about 1.5 seconds, while Bluesky dropped from 24.3 seconds to 2.8 seconds. So 15 times is possible, but not guaranteed. Microsoft describes the typical full build improvement as roughly 8 to 12 times, depending on the project and hardware. The editor may be an even bigger upgrade. On the VS Code codebase, opening a file and waiting for the first error previously took around 17.5 seconds. TypeScript 7 reduced that to under 1.3 seconds. Find references, autocomplete, diagnostics, and project startup now use the new multi-threaded language server. Microsoft also reports over 80% fewer failed language server commands and more than 60% fewer crashes. Memory usage generally improved too. Across Microsoft's tests, aggregate build memory fell by roughly 6 to 26%, though increasing the checker count can trade some memory for more speed. The goal was compatibility, not a new type system. TypeScript 7 is a careful port of the existing compiler logic, so most code should produce the same results, just much faster. There is one major limitation in version 7.0. It does not yet expose the stable programmatic compiler API used by tools that embed TypeScript. Some workflows involving TypeScript ESLint, Vue, Svelte, Astro, MDX, or Angular may still need TypeScript 6 until the new API arrives. For ordinary projects, installation stays familiar. Install the TypeScript package, run TSC as usual, and enable TypeScript 7 support in your editor. TypeScript 7 is fast because Microsoft did not keep tuning the same single-lane road. It rebuilt the road for modern multi-core hardware. The language is mostly the same. The machine doing the checking is completely different.